See, here's the old crusty one.
Bruh.
So yeah, my truck was dead. I forgot to trickle charge it. So I usually use a trickle charger, which I'll show you right here if you want to buy that too. Link in the description. So here's the new weather stripping. Link in the description as well for these if you want to buy them. Also, if you want to buy them straight from Toyota, here are the part numbers so you can go buy them at your local Toyota dealership. Hey, what up my cruiser? Just the theAZcruiser. And in this video, we're going to be installing some new door weather stripping. As you can see, mine's falling apart. It's crusty, it's old. So we're just gonna pop these off. I believe you can pop these off with plastic tabs. So we're gonna pop these off. Oh, there's a screw right here holding that. All right, so we're just gonna unscrew these. This one doesn't have a screw, does it? No, back ones don't. Nope, back ones don't, just the front. And then we're gonna place them with the brand new ones we got. So when removing and installing the window molding, it's easier if you remove the screws that are on the side mirror. That's why I told you need that hex screw. See, here's the old crusty one compared to the new one. Look at that difference.
Let's go.
Also, I got my side mirror mounts from Soul Function, so shout out to him. I don't know if it's like the OEM ones, but you can put tweeters in this one.
Moments later.
Let's go.
Two hours later.
So there you go. Here's the new window molding installed. I put it on all 4 doors and windows. Turned out pretty good. It was very easy to install. Just got to be patient. I may also install these rubber weather stripping for the whole door and the window mounts in the future. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.